Greetings, fellow traders. Bubba here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Thursday, September the 24th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we left off with the market here today. So SPX, the bearish engulfing month, still in effect right now. Weekly chart, again, that volatility is still picking up as we get into this cloud canyon right here. Open gap filled. Daily chart. So when is this going to end? Well, our projected move is to the bottom of the cloud, and then we'll see if we work back up off of there. If we do break below the cloud with some volume, we got the 200-day moving average right there, and see how that goes. But really, it's all about this bottom of the cloud right here, and we could be seeing a potential move or a potential end here. We just have to see how it holds this trend box still. I mean, it looks like a 5, ABC 3, and then maybe a 1, 2, and we could see a 3, 4, 5, and that could get us even lower. And then we see a move back up. But we'll just kind of keep an eye on it day by day and see where we go on this one. Let's take a look at the SPY. Okay, so SPY again, not as much volume as yesterday. We're still contained within this this corrective channel right here. So really, until we get out of this channel, right, we just kind of have to kind of keep an eye on it, right? So so we'll just continue to monitor that here. We still haven't had any increased volume breakdowns. Just a lot of kind of tricky moves back and forth as it kind of slowly works its way back down. So that's what we've been really been seeing here going over the last couple weeks. So S&P futures, what a day today, guys! Just incredible stuff. Really amazing day today. So again, so starting the day off, right, we were entering into a triangle right here, from an impulsive wave down, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle, right, and then it looked like it was working on a wave 5, and that could have worked its way back down, but as we know, 5s can be truncated, right, so a truncated wave down, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we just got corrective right here, and then boom, impulsive wave up, nice retracement. We got all the way back up to the drop zone right here. This is a signal zone, and we lost that today. This is a really key area, and then we started working on our way down right here. We had an ABC move, right? 1, ABC 2, 3, 4, 5 before we bounced into the end of the day. So this really gave some great opportunities on the short side. Members capitalized on this wave right here. Other members capitalized on this wave right here. It was just a great move. And some members actually caught the top today, which was pretty cool. And they also had these tweezer tops here on the 5 and the 15-minute chart. So really good stuff. We'll see how how this kind of plays out into the rest of the evening and where we go from there. Again, I think that impulsive wave down was done, this big one. So it does look like it's trying to work on a bigger move up. At this point right here, kind of maybe it's just this kind of a crazy move right here. This could be a wave 1. This could be a really big expanded flat and can start to work its way back up. So let's just kind of keep an eye on these geometric lines and see where we go here and what the futures have in store for this evening. Let's take a look at the Qs. Again, Qs, same type of stuff right here. We had this kind of really tight head and shoulder-ish type pattern that did break down. Members pointed this out in the group today. So again, guys, great group that we have. A lot of different eyes can see a lot of different things that can help us focus on some things that we don't normally look at, right? So we had this head and shoulder. Ended up breaking down for a nice move down as well, retrace and then back down. Let's take a look at the IWM. IWM, again, same stuff, right? Sort of sideways head and shoulders right here. That also broke down as well, retrace and then back down again. And then Apple. So, really strong move at the open. We were expecting most of these tech names to kind of give a burst at the open. Members actually did really well on this one at the open on the live stream, which is great. And then, of course, we got into the choppy sloppy here, right? So a little bit of pullback for another move up, and then just really choppy right here. Wasn't quite a head and shoulders on this one. We did see a double top here before it started working its way back down, and a nice bounce here off these prior levels. So really nice stuff there. Let's take a look at Tesla. And so Tesla, again, some strength at the open, right? We were expecting a dip by here off of the macro upper trend line, or not the macro, but the bump line right here. So we did bounce off that today and kind of get Tesla start going again. Open gap above. Let's see if we can continue to get some strength and where we go from there. So good stuff. A couple names that were interesting today. So 15 Orbredo was RAD, right? So RAD ended up actually being a gap and go to the downside, right? So some pretty cool stuff here. It couldn't hold its pre-market levels, and then it flushed out of there going into the day, and then just chopped after that. So pretty interesting stuff. And I think they actually had good earnings, which is always kind of amazing right there. But nasty candle on Rite Aid. Zoom finally pulled back a little bit right here. So let's see how this holds, right? The last wave up is right here. Okay, so again, this kind of looks like maybe, 1, ABC, 2, and then we're coming right back to a 50% retrace right here. It's not my favorite retracement. Let's see how we hold the 618 right here, and if Zoom can try to work its way back up. Otherwise, it might come back down and retest a couple of these levels below. Goldman Sachs upgrade this morning and gave a beautiful move at the open. You can see here. Just an incredible launch at the 15 orb high. That's why we like these on the 15 orb list, right? So we got a nice move up right there, pull back, and then up again. So a really, really strong move on Goldman Sachs today, and members did well on that one. Costco earnings after hours, earnings $3.13, beating expectations. Of course, it's down after hours on that one. So we'll see how that goes going into tomorrow on Costco. It needs to try to rally to get over at least some of these levels right here. Otherwise, we could see some more choppy action going into tomorrow. So good stuff, guys. Tomorrow's Friday, so looking forward to that one. We'll also see you guys in the live stream tonight. We do have the broadcast working. For some reason, I'm having trouble getting the weight room up, but I'm going to try to open up the room early and then actually go live. Maybe have the room open like 30 minutes early and then go live after that. But hope to see you guys tonight. It's going to be a really cool topic as we finish up RSI tricks. So be sure to subscribe on YouTube and hit the notification button so you can see when we go live there. So good stuff, guys. I really appreciate everybody. Have a wonderful rest of your evening. We'll see you guys at 7:30. Stay healthy out there, and maybe risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys.